Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about index bloat, what it is, what is the purpose behind the SEO, and some of the key takeaways that we can incur from this video. So let us first understand what index bloat actually means. So basically index bloat is a concept which predicts the number of unwanted or undesirable pages that is indexed in the Google search engine result pages, not only restricted to Google but can be also be seen on Bing search engine as well. So now the question is why this really matters. So the thing is, this is very important because if you are having a lot of unwanted or undesirable pages indexed on your search engine, then this can cause undesirable wastage of your crawl budget, and also your search appearance would be badly affected because customers would find mostly irrelevant data or irrelevant URLs to your websites that would be leading to bad user experience and ultimately can drain your SEO performance. So how to identify index bloat scenario? The first thing is you can simply open Google Search Console and you can have a look at all of the URLs that is indexed through Google, and you can identify what all pages you do not want and what all pages does not serve a user value. Now when I mean serving a user value, that depends upon your business. If you feel like a particular page is having less content, if you feel like particular page is having less user attraction or less user engagement, then those pages can lead to index bloat. And also some unwanted pages like author pages, tag pages, category pages which makes no sense, those pages can also be treated as the index bloat pages list. So you can make a collection of those lists and you can re-verify the same from Screaming Frog as well by checking irrelevant crawl depth, by checking any unwanted hash parameters based URLs that makes no relevance at all, and you can make the final list. And you can simply do two things for eliminating them. The first thing is you can either de-index them using the robots.txt tag. You can watch our previous videos of robot.txt. I'll put the link on the description. And the second thing is you can also remove them from your search engine page from the removal section of Google Search Console. Thanks for watching.